Hi everybody and welcome. Do you have one of these? Do you have an InstantPot? Do you want to get an InstantPot? Are you thinking about getting an InstantPot? Do you make recipes in your InstantPot and would like to share them? Would you like to know more about the InstantPot? Would you like to learn new recipes? Would you like to see other people cooking in the InstantPot? Well, you're in luck. I'm making a tag. Yeah, me. I'm gonna do it. Never done that before. Hashtag Let's InstantPot. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna collect all those videos and I'm gonna put them in one playlist so we can share it with the world. That's awesome. I think that's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. And you know what? Everybody can do it. You can do it. Your friends can do it. Pass it around. We can all do it. I'll do it. Wouldn't it be nice for all of us just to get together and have one place to InstantPot? One place to find everything. Recipes. I know I just made a ham and bean soup and it was so good. It was so good and it was so easy. You don't need to be intimidated by the InstantPot. Let's help other people learn. If you want to join the collab, you're more than welcome. Hashtag Let's InstantPot, all one word, no spaces. And then contact me somehow. You can email me. My email address, it'll be in the description of the playlist on my page. It's actually just reallifewithmichelle@gmail.com. Or you can comment on one of my videos and just say, hey, I posted an InstantPot video. And I'll go over and grab it and put it in a playlist. And then hopefully other people will come over and watch the videos. Maybe go to your channel and subscribe. You never know. You never know. That would be awesome. Already have InstantPot videos made? Go tag them. Hashtag InstantPot. Let me know they're there and I'll add them too. Here it is. I'll put it right here. This way, here. Let's InstantPot. Let's do this together. It'll be fun, I promise. Put up your fails, put up your great recipes, things you do, tips and tricks. Let's all do it together.